Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using discounts in Poshier. In Poshier, you can set up discounts in advance and apply them to your order before checkout. You can also establish a minimum spending requirement and define the effective date for seasonal periods. If you prefer to apply a discount to a specific item rather than the entire order, please use a promotion instead. All right, let's get started. First, navigate to Settings and scroll down to the Discount section. Click the New button, then enter the name of the discount and the discount rate. For example, let's create a discount called 20% off after Christmas sales. Enter After Christmas Sales in the name field and then input 20 in the rate field. Next, enter the minimum spending amount required to use this discount. Enable this record by toggling the switch on. Since this discount is intended for after Christmas, we need to set the effective date accordingly. Finally, click Save to create the discount record. Now, let's create another discount for half price at 50% with a minimum spending requirement of $100 and set the effective date to forever. To verify the results, go back to the Takeaway section. Tap on any item in the right panel and proceed to checkout. Click the Discount button at the top. The first thing you'll notice is that the After Christmas Sale discount is missing. This is because the effective date is not yet active. Select the half-price discount from the list and tap Apply. As you can see, we can't apply the discount to the bill because it requires a minimum spend of $100. Let's add more items to the order until the subtotal exceeds $100 and try applying the discount again. This time, the discount is successfully applied to the bill. Now tap Pay to confirm the transaction. That's it. I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps to create discount items and apply them. See you in the next video. Goodbye.